Nice walleye. Look at that.
No.
There's a keeper.
Heck
Look how yellow he
He's
is.
yellow? Why is he yellow?
I haven't even thrown out
Sweet.
Lindsay here. Mike already said, he already told me he's going to be catching all the fish. Look at that. Nice walleye.
Heck yeah.
I've never been out here. Mike, he says, come on out.
Mike,
Come on out.
why is it so yellow?
Welcome.
Alright.
Welcome home. No, he's
Welcome
going
to the
Are
lake.
you gonna measure him?
Oh no, he's big enough.
Yeah,
Right?
for fun.
Oh, yeah. My second cast with a pink spinner. Mike had to get the net for me. A monster. Throw him in. Fish to catch.
Oh, nice.
that's really good. That's like enough.
Oh my. That's
We can handle a few of these, huh?
wow. That is nice.
Crazy. No, it's not bad. Oh, it's a northern.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa, he came alive.
Where's the net?
Oh,
Where's it at?
keep it tight, rolling. Don't get nervous.
Oh, he's a nice one too.
Don't get nervous. Bluegilling, he just came alive. Make him jump.
Alright, we're gonna pick up.
Look at that, teamwork. Skill.
Oh, it didn't break, snap your line.
Not yet. I'm gonna have to retie for sure.
Alright.
No, a little smaller.
Think so?
I think. I don't know.
Oh, he's real close.
Wow, neat.
Oh no, he might be
He's got to be right at.
15, right?
Yeah, 15.
This is a new technique. Don't
Nothing wrong
tell
with that.
anyone. Don't put this on YouTube.
Yeah. Put that in my cooler, would you?
Oh, he's 16 almost.
Yeah.
He might be 16.
But he's definitely 15.
Yeah.
Mike, did you catch that one?
Yes. No,
Oh, yeah.
I don't catch fish.
Mm-hmm.
I take fish off hooks.
Yeah, you're too busy getting bait ready.
Fish on. Oh, that's a nice gill.
That is a gill.
Yeah. Oh no, bluegill. Sunfish.
Oh, he spilled the hook, didn't he?
Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. Holder. How big do you think that is, Mike?
I'm gonna guess that is probably a good 10, if not 11.
It's about 10 inches long. Turn him this way a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That is a nice one.
I caught that one.
You got it. Just lift up. Bring it towards me. Lift up, bring it towards.
Dang.
Is it a big one or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, oh Pete.
Wow.
We'll sell you this one.
That is.
What? Look at that.
Stringer of those would make a nice mount. Look at the color on them gills.
Nice.
He's been hit.
I know it looks like Mike catches all these fish, but it isn't.
It's
Mostly coming from the front of the boat.
I've caught one. Oh, no, it's an oiler.
Gosh. Holy crap, you're shocked?
Yeah, that might be a keeper too.
God, he's mean.
Dang.
Give him a second, man.
Hang on, Nicole.
Holy crap.
Turn the other way, little guy.
You're our fishing guide.
We're stranded here.
We got a little wind. We can't beat the wind because it's blowing too hard.
And then Corey here.
So I started walking along and I got this rock in my shoe. So I went about 50 yards and
Lo and
I had
behold.
to take it off. And what we got there, that ain't a rock.
It's not a rock, is
I
it?
know it's so uncomfortable.
Oh, hey,
So what are we gonna do, Captain Mike?
hey. Well, I think the plan is
Swim?
Doing it? Just fine over there.
swimming across.
Right?
Tie the rope around your neck and start swimming.
And start.
Help!
There's our savers right there. They're gonna save us. Yeah, this is a
Captain Mike.
good day of fishing. Excellent day.
Excellent day of fishing.
Winds howling, 20 miles per hour.
How's the fishing?
Fishing is great. Our lifeboat is going away. I don't know what to say here. What do you want me to say? Hey! Go blue! Hey! Let's go, Mohawks! Let's go! Let's go!
Fire up!
Fire up, blue!
We're on the rowing team.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey! Jeez.